Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. So students, we are learning the computer subject and we have completed the first lesson, that is the keyboard. I hope you all have read the lesson thoroughly and you have practiced all the keys. Okay, the next part of the computer, that is the mouse. So today we are going to start with the next lesson, that is the mouse. So everybody open your book, page number 198. Open page number 198. Okay students, so you all have opened the page number 198, that is 198. So today we are going to start the new lesson, that is the mouse. So students, I hope you all know what is mouse. You might have seen the real mouse also. So let us do little bit warm up. You can see here two pictures. So you have to identify the drawings, color the drawings, identify them as a real mouse or a computer mouse. So you all know very well which is the real mouse and which is the computer mouse. So you have to write there which is real and which is computer mouse. So students, tell me, which mouse is this? Is it used to computer? No, it is a real mouse. So write here real, R-E-A-L, real mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. You have to color this afterwards. Okay, next, this mouse is a computer mouse. So you have to write here computer mouse, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, computer mouse. So both pictures you have to color it afterwards. So what we are going to see is computer mouse, correct way to hold the computer mouse, action of the computer mouse. And what is the task of this lesson? That is, a computer mouse is an important part of the computer. It is used to point things on the computer screen, draw picture and play games. Let us learn the correct way of using a computer mouse. So let us see what is the correct way of using this computer mouse. So coming to the next page, computer mouse. A computer mouse is like a real mouse. So you can see the shape of that. It looks like a real mouse. It is a small in size. It has a body and a tail. The tail is a long wire which is attached to the CPU. So you can see the size is small and it has the body and it has a tail like wired, and this wire is connected to CPU to give the proper instruction. Whatever we do, it gives the proper instruction to the CPU. So the wire is connected to CPU. So parts of mouse. What are the parts of mouse? A computer mouse has two buttons. The button on the left hand side is called the left mouse button. The button on the right hand side is called the right mouse button. The wheel in the center is called the scroll wheel. So you can see here a mouse. The button which is on the left side, it is called left button, and the button which is on the right side, it is called right button. This is mouse wire, and between there is one scroll, that is called scroll wheel. Okay, next there is one activity. This you have to do afterwards because it is of coloring. What you have to do? Color as per the color code. So here the numbers are given, in front of that the code of color is given, that is where there is number 1 you have to color blue, where there is number 2 you have to color red, where there is number 3 you have to color green, where there is number 4 you have to color yellow. Then identify the thing it is. You have to identify what it is and you have to write here, and you have to label its part by drawing the arrows. So you have to label it by drawing arrow, left button arrow here, right button arrow here, and scroll wheel arrow here. So you have to draw a line and show the parts by drawing line. Okay, so you have to do this afterwards. Next, mouse pad. So for using the mouse smoothly and properly, we use mouse pad. What is that? A computer mouse should always be kept on a soft and a flat surface. It is called mouse pad. So the computer mouse, it should be kept always on the soft and flat. So the mouse pad, you can see here, it is flat and it will be soft, so that it will operate very easily. So for that purpose you have to use mouse pad below the mouse. So there is one more activity, that is mouse pad are available in different shapes and size. Design your own mouse pad on the sheet of paper. Share the design with your classmate. So you can draw a different shape of the mouse pad here and you can share with your classmates. Now your classmates are not there, but you can share, you can show to your parents, grandparents, or your brother, sister, cousins. So here different size, shape, you can draw a mouse pad and you can color it. Okay. Next one. See students, you all know the mouse prop now. So how to hold the mouse? It is very easy and it is very important also to hold proper mouse. So correct way to hold the mouse. What is the correct way? To write on a paper, you hold the pencil with your fingers and thumb. So students, everybody hold your pencil. So what do you use to hold your pencil? You use your fingers as well as your thumb. In the same way, you use your hand for holding the mouse. Yes, you use your hand for holding mouse? Yes, you must learn how to hold the mouse in the correct way. So how to hold the mouse in the correct way? Let us learn. But before that, there is one activity again. So what is that? Each finger of our hand has a name. So this you have already learned, that each finger has a name. Left hand is marked for you. Label the finger on the right hand using the given numbers. So left hand is already given, marked for you. So right one you have to do it. So you can see which finger is called this? It is called thumb. Which finger is called this? This is called thumb. First finger it is called index finger. This is called index finger. This finger is called middle finger. This finger is called middle finger. This one is called ring finger. This one is called ring finger. And last one is called little finger. Last one is called little finger. Now this side hand it is given, but now this side you have to write. So here the thumb will come this side, but this side the thumb will come this side, so you have to start from here. That is 1, you have to write your thumb finger. 2, you have to write your index finger. 3, you have to write your middle finger. 4, you have to write your ring finger, and last is 5th finger, that is little finger. So you have to write there. Now next, to hold the mouse with your right hand, put your index finger on the left mouse button and the middle finger on the right mouse button. Rest your palm on the mouse. So students, on the mouse, if you can see your picture, what you have to do, you have to put your index finger. Index finger means the first one on the, where you have to put on the left mouse button, and your middle finger on the right side of the mouse, and rest of your palm, the palm means this one, you have to put it on the mouse. Okay, you have to put it on the mouse. Students, see, now this is the mouse. If I want to hold this mouse properly, you have to put your index finger here, this side, that is left of the mouse. You have to put your middle finger on the right side, and you have to keep your palm on the mouse like this, and then you have to operate the mouse. Okay. Now next, to hold the mouse with your left hand. If you are holding the mouse with the left hand, how to hold? You have to, a left-handed person will use this, his or her middle finger to click the left mouse button. He or she will use the index finger to click the right mouse button. So if you are using left hand to write or to operate, you will put your index finger to the right side and middle finger to the left side. Your mouse will remain as it is, but your fingers get changed. For right side, you use index to the left, but when you are using left hand, your index finger will be used to the right of the mouse. Okay students, have you understood how you will hold the mouse properly? Okay, so you can see the picture of it, how it is used. Done? Okay, now we will see the next one. Next one, again there is one activity. Tick the correct way to hold the mouse. The person is using right hand, so you have to take the correct way that is he is using. So student, you can see here the person is using his index on the scroll wheel. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. So you will not tick that. Now here the second one, where the person is putting his hand. Is that second one is correct? Yes, he is putting his hand, index finger on the left side and his middle finger on the right side. So you have to tick this. Here is it correct? No, he has put the finger out of the mouse, so it is not proper way. This one, is it correct, the picture? No, that is also not the correct way. This is also not the correct way. You have to hold the picture very proper, in a very proper way. So students, have you understood how to hold? The next one is mouse action. What is the mouse action? When you press a mouse button, it makes a click sound. So when you click the mouse button, it will make one click sound. Pressing the mouse button is called clicking. So when you press that mouse button left or right, it is called clicking. Following are the mouse action, that is left click, press and release the left mouse button. Right click is the press and release the right mouse button. Single click is press and release the left mouse button once. It is used to select an item. If I want to use select some folder, so we will use for that. Next, double click. Double click is used to press and release the left mouse button once. It is used to select an item. Double click is used to press and release the left mouse button twice. If you want to click double, then you have to click the left mouse button twice quickly, not slowly. Immediately you have to click twice, that is 2 times the left mouse button. And the scroll, the wheel is used to go up and down the window. The scroll down rolls the wheel down. The scroll up rolls the wheel up. If you want to move upside down, then for moving down you should scroll downwards. For moving upside you have to scroll upwards. So these are the mouse action, that is left click, right click, single click, double click and scroll. These are the actions that are used while operating the mouse. So students, here we have learned that mouse is also a very important part of the computer. If there will be no mouse, you cannot select the items very easily on the screen, from the screen. So students, have you understood this lesson? Yes, you all have understood? Yes, so the activities which I have given you as a homework, you have to do it. So students, I hope you all have understood the lesson, the mouse. So what are the mouse? Parts of the mouse, that is left mouse button, right mouse button and scroll wheel and mouse wire. And after that we have seen correct way to hold the mouse, how to hold the mouse, and the last we have seen, that is mouse action, that is left click, right click, single click, double click and scroll. So I hope you all will read this lesson today in your home, and in the next episode we are going to solve the exercise. At that time you should be able to give the answer. So up till then, take care, bye bye.